Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice of integration by transformation, right? And we have some questions regarding it to solve. It is very powerful technique of the integration by which we can solve many difficult problems. The complex problems of trigo or algebraic can be solved with the help of transformation. Okay, so let's start. I have one question, that is sine x, sine 4x into sine 2x I am having. So let's do it. Here I have one question, that is integration sine 4x into sine 2x into dx. We need to solve this one. So I'm just going to solve here, and if you have a further doubt or any problem, you can just comment me below. Okay, so we'll start our journey now. Sine 4x into sine 2x is dx. This integration can be solved by one formula. This important formula I'm just going to write here. We know that this formula is what, 2 sine a into sine b. 2 sine a into sine b is equal to cos a minus b, plus minus cos a plus b. With the help of this formula, I can solve the problem of this integration. So this concept is going to be here, sine 4x into sine 2x. You can see that we have sine a into sine b, but we don't have 2 here. So I'm just going to put 2, means what 2 is going to multiply with, so it will change. That's why I need to put 2 in such a way that there is no any alteration. So if I am going to multiply with 2, so I need to divide it by 2 also. 2 and 2 will cancel, and there is no any alteration in the problem. So let's do here. I'm just going to multiply this 2 sine and then 4x into sine 2x, and then I'm dividing it by 2 so that we don't have any change in our integration problem. I'm dividing by 2. Now I can put this 2 outside, because in our formula 2 sin a sin b is there. There is no 2 in the denominator, so I'm putting 2 outside, so it will come outside 1 by 2, and then 2 sine, we have 4x into sine 2x into dx. Okay, now you can see here we have 2 sine 4x into sine 2x into dx. That is similar to this formula, so we can go through this formula here. Let's do it. So 1 by 2, and then integration this 2 sine 4x into sine 2x, write as here cos, then a is 4x and b is 2x. So I can write here 4x minus 2x, 4x minus 2x, then minus cos, and I can add both 4x plus 2x, both I am adding. Now I need to do integration of all, so dx. Clear? Yes. Now we are just going to solve this one. 1 by 2 integration, then cos 2x minus cos 6x, then dx. Further, I can put this one separately. So here 1 by 2, then integration cos 2x into dx minus integration cos 6x into dx, then close. Right? Now I can go ahead. So I have this concept here. This will be solved here in this way. That is 1 by 2 same integration cos 2x into dx will be sine 2x, and 2 is coefficient of x, that's why I'm dividing this term by 2. This is the integration of cos 2x dx. So here sine 2x by 2 is integration of this part, minus an integration of this cos 6x is what? Sine 6x by 6. No need to write negative because we know that integration of cos x into dx is what? Sin x. So that's why I have written here, and then I can do one constant, so here plus c constant. On the last, I'm just going to multiply half of all the with all the quantities. So we have here sine 2x, and then 2 into 2 will be 4 negative, and then sine 6x, okay, 6 into 2 will be 12 plus c. So this is what integration of this part, integration of sine 4x into sine 2x. Here sine 4x into sine 2x dx. This integration is sine 2x by 4 minus sine 6x by 12 plus c. Those who are newcomers, please subscribe my channel and like it. We have a many problem regarding this kind of transformation, and we will do practice over here. So let's have another question. You can also solve by your pen and paper, as like me. If you want more and more practice, then come with me and then do the practice as I am doing. Here I have another problem. Okay, so I'm just going to solve this problem here. This is suppose question number 1. I have another one, question number suppose 2. So integration, and then cos 5x into 3x, cos 5x into cos 3x into dx. This is what different question, and we are going to solve it now. But before going to solve this one, we should know one identity, one formula. Here I have this formula, that is 2 cos a into cos b. 2 cos a into cos b. You need to know it, you should by heart it. Here cos, both are cos a into cos b. So I am putting here cos a minus b, then both are cos, so I am putting here plus. If both will be sine, then I need to put here negative. So cos a plus b, a plus b. This concept I am going to use to solve this problem over here. Let's do it. Let me fix this. Yeah. Now this can be transformed into this product. This product as this one have been transformed from multiply to this addition. So from product to this addition. So I am just also transforming cos 5x into cos 3x in this addition format with the help of this formula. So here I am writing here integration 2 cos 5x into cos 3x into dx, and I have here, if I am multiplying 2, so I need to divide it by 2 also, so I just divided it. There is no any alteration in the problem, and then I can move ahead. Here 1 by 2, then integration, this will be solved in this way, integration, and it would be cos 5x minus 3x, then plus cos 5x minus 3x is over already, so we need to add here 5x plus 3x, and this will be here dx. Now I can go ahead, and then I have 1 by 2, and then if you are staying and just looking constantly, then you can learn. So here cos 5x minus 3x is what, cos 2x into dx I can write, and then I can write integration cos 8x into dx plus c. Okay, plus c. Now we need to do integration because transformation has been already done. 5x minus 3x plus cos 5x plus 3x, it gives us cos 2x plus cos 8x. So now integration part is there, we can do integration, and that will be our solution. So have integration of cos 2x is what, sine sine 2x sine 2x by 2, and here integration of cos 8x is what, sine 8x by 8 plus c. So we have here sine 2x by 4 plus sine 8x by 16 plus c. This is the integration of cos 5x into cos 3x here. Right? So before that, you are saying that we have two conclusions. The first one we did, sine 4x into sine 2x. Both are similar, sine. So we are getting here, cos 2x minus cos 6x. If sine are there, if both are sine, then we need to put minus. If both are cos, so we need to put here plus. So that is the difference. If both are sine, then we need to put here minus. If both are cos, we need to put here plus. This is the difference I am getting over here, and that is what integration of cos 5x into cos 3x dx is equal to sine 2x by 4 plus sine 8x by 16. This is the integration of this part. This is this question, and we have integration of sine 4x into sine 2x. This integration we got here sine 2x by 4 minus sine 6x by 12. This shows that if both the terms are sine, so there is a negative sign between it, and if both the cos terms are there, then there is a what, plus sign. We will see. Now we have another question, because we need to do more and more practice so that we will have a good understanding of transformation. So let's do another problem. So here I have another problem, you can see. Let me create one boundary so that I can easily solve. Here question number I am taking 3. Okay, question number 3 you can solve by yourself also. Okay, so this question is, cos 4x into sin x, integration cos 4x into sin x dx. So this transformation is what kind of formula we need. We need, sine and cos sum. So take this one, cos 4x is more than x. So I'm taking here this formula, 2 cos, first term is cos, so 2 cos a into sine b. Here a is greater than b, here 4x is greater than x, that's why I put this one. And this will be what, both the term are sine, so I'm putting here sine, and then a plus b minus sine a minus b is there. So here I'm putting sine a plus b minus, because cos is initial term, so here sine a plus b, and then sine a minus b is there, this term. So we have a cos, 2 cos a into sine b is gives us sine a plus b, or negative sine a minus b. Okay, so let's use this formula to conquer this one. Here 2 is not there, so I need to multiply 2 and dividing it by 2, and then I can write here cos 4x into sine x into dx. So this is the first approach, we should go through it. And 1 by 2 I'm putting outside, because there is no need to divide it by 2 in the formula, so that's why I'm putting 1 by 2 outside. And we have 2 cos 4x and then sine x into dx over here, right? And now what do we have to do? We have this, okay, formula over here. We need to go the transformation, go to the transformation. Let's have here, I have sine, and both 4x and x will be added together. So I'm adding here 4x plus x, and then integration is there already, okay, and this section is over, then minus, okay, minus sine, and now the time for subtraction here, 4x minus x, 4x minus x, and it is over, right? And then dx, okay, dx. Clear? Yeah, everything is okay. This text is visible to you or not? Just write to me in the comments, so that I can improve my font size. I can increase the font size. Oh my, okay, it depends upon me. Okay, 1 by 2, and then here integration, I can write here sine 4x plus x, 4x plus x gives us 5x, then dx minus integration, sine 4x minus x will be sine 3x, so sine 3x, and we have here dx. Okay, so this is what actual transformation of cos 4x sine x, right? This one. Now 1 by 2 I can write, and I have here, that is integration of sine 5x into dx. We know that integration of sine x is what, negative of cos x. So here negative of cos 5x divided by 5, and then negative, and integration of sine 3x will be negative of cos 3x by 3, and this negative and this negative is going to multiply together and gives us positive sign over here. So no need to be confused here, it is already there. And okay, so this integration has been done, so I put here constant sign over here, and we can move ahead. So I have another page here. Okay, now we can easily go through it. Yeah, it's okay. So 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is going to multiply with this sum. So here 1 by 2, and then minus cos 5x divided by 5, and then minus plus, so plus cos 3x into 1 by 2 into 3 is going to multiply here, the 2 into 3 I'm writing here, and you can see here 1 by 2 we have, and that is negative, so negative cos 5x divided by 5. This is going to multiply here, and then 6 here, and cos we have 3x plus c, right? Okay, so on the last I can write negative of cos 5x divided by 10, and then plus 6, and the cos 3x is there, so here cos 3x plus c. So you can see this is the integration of this question, right? This is the integration of this part. Let's do here, where the cos integration cos 4x into sin x is, we have here negative of cos 5x by 10 and plus cos 3x by 6 plus c. So this is the integration part. You can see that both are different, cos and sin are there. So we have here cos, you can see here cos, negative cos 5x by 10 plus cos 3x by 6. So this question is over, right? We have done 3 questions now. Let's go for another one. Okay, just comment me if you like it. Question number 10 I am taking. Sin 3x into sin 6x. Sin 3x into sin 6x dx. Both are sine term over here. So which formula I'm just going to use for the transformation? Sin A and sin B is there, so I'm just going to use this formula. 2 sin A into sin B, 2 sin A into sin B. This is what? Cos term, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This one is going to be used here, A plus B, right? If you have any kind of doubt, you can just comment me or write to me, and then I will reply you, okay, verbally. Here 2 sin A into sin B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Let's put here or to transform here. So I'm just going to transform. So I have here to just multiplying 2 here, 2 sin 3x. I can write sin 6x before it sin 3x. So here I'm writing 2 sin 3x into sin 6x. So and here I'm just dividing it by 2 so that there is no any alteration in the problem. Okay, problem should be same. That's why I'm putting this. Okay, now I need another one. Yeah, okay, so this one clear. So 1 by 2 is outside, and here I have 2 sin 3x into sin 6x dx. You have any doubt? No? You can ask me if you have any kind of doubt. We are going to solve here. This is 2 sin 3x sin 6x. So that will be what? 1 by 2. And we are going to transform here. Integration. Sin 6x and 3x is there. So I can consider 6x as A and 3x is B. Or I can write this one in this way. 2 sin 6x, because 6x is greater than sin 3x, and sin 3x here 2 sin 6x into sin 3x, then dx. Okay, dx. So we are here 1 by 2 1 by 2 Then integration, the transformation is here only, cos, both are sine, so I'm just using cos 6x minus 3x negative cos 6x plus 3x. Okay, it is over. Then dx is there. Then dx is there. Okay, now go for the next step. The next step is what? This is subtracting and this one is addition, so I'm just going to subtract it and add this one. So here in the next step, 1 by 2 integration cos 6x minus 3x is what? 3x negative cos 6x plus 3x is what? 9x. So this is what? Integration. Clear? Yeah. Now I have 1 by 2 and then integration, I'm just going to subtract both. So cos 3x into dx negative and then cos 9x into dx then dx. Okay, and plus c over here. So plus c is here and then 1 by 2. The cos 3x into dx integration will give us sine 3x by 3, because 3 is coefficient of x, that's why this integral is going to divide it by 3, and then negative sine 9x divided by 9, because 9 is the coefficient of x, that's why 9 is in the denominator, and we have here plus. On the last we are having the final result. This final result is what? 1 by 2 is going to multiply with this, so we have here sine 3x by 2 into 3. Are you solving with me or not? Or you're just watching and leaving? Be with me and please. Here we have sine 9x and 2 into 9 is what? 18. So next step I will do. Here I have sine 3x by 6 negative 2 into 9 is 18, and we have here 9x plus c. So you are seeing that this is our solution of this problem. Which problem? Sine 3x into 6x, you are seeing here sine 3x into sine 6x dx. This is there. Let's go for another one. I have one question. This one is cos 3x into cos 6x, cos 3x into cos 6x. Let's do. Integration cos 3x into cos 6x. So here cos 6x then dx. Okay, let's solve here. Which formula I'm just going to use? I'm going to use both are cos, so that we have 2 cos a into cos, both are cos, so cos a into cos b will be, here I can write, both are cos, so I need to write cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Okay, this formula I have here. So cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Cos a plus b, so a plus, or I can write a minus b before that, it is better, the cos a minus b plus, because we are knowing that these are one of commutative law, it follows commutative law, so a plus b and a minus b here. The cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, both are cos. That's why I'm using this concept, this formula here, to transform this one into this form. Okay, so let's solve this one. Here I have integration cos 3x into cos 6x dx. So I'm going to divide it by 2 and multiply with 2, so there is no any changes in the problem. And you will see here I have 1 by 2 and then integration to cos 6x cos 3x into dx. Do you have any objection regarding it? No. Let me know in the comment if you have any query regarding it. Okay, so here 1 by 2. Okay, and do it this transformation. So here cos 6x minus 3x, then plus cos 6x plus 3x, okay, and dx. Clear? Yeah. So shall we move ahead? Yeah. So here we have 1 by 2 and then cos integration cos 6x minus 3x is what? Cos 3x, then dx plus integration cos 9x into dx, then plus. Okay, here we have 1 by 2 and integration cos 3x is what? Sine 3x by 3 plus integration cos 9x is what? Sine 9x by 9 plus c. If we do the integration, on the last I'm putting constant term c. Okay, this is the last step of this problem. Here we have sine 3x by 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 2 into 9 is 18. So sine 9x plus c. And this is the solution of this problem. Here, this one. Integration cos 3x into cos 6x gives us sine 3x by 6 plus sine 9x by 18 plus c. So both are cos, but here we are getting sine, right? So this is what our solution of this problem. Do you have any kind of query regarding it? No? Or do you want any question? You want to solve more? Yeah. So I'm going to give you some question so that you can solve it, okay, at your home. But in the next session or in the next video, I'm just coming with this kind of questions, this kinds of stuff, more and more stuff we will solve. Here sine the integration cos 2x sine 5x into dx you can solve, okay, and then integration we have here cos 2x, here cos we have 2x into cos x by 2, x by 2 into dx, okay. And question number we have here 8. This question you will solve integration cos 6x into cos 4x, cos 6x into cos 4x, or I will come in the next session to solve it, okay. So that time you will come with your solution and we will match together whether these are correct or wrong. Sine 3x into sine 8x into dx. So these four questions are there for you. You can solve it, and just we'll meet in the next session, in the next video. So we'll live together, and then okay, we'll solve more and more problem, okay, like this. So this is the practice of today, this much, and we'll have a more practice on the next time. This time, for being with me, I would like to say thank you, and please be with me. Please like, share and subscribe this channel among your friends, and please subscribe my channel. This integration is very powerful technique to solve transformation, to solve more and more integration problem, right? Okay, thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Be happy and stay safe. Thank you.